In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volkswagen Beetle key fob. This whole process is really easy to do and it'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you'll need are one CR1632 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out the first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, getting right into it, what we want to do is flip this thing over to the back, and you can see there is that hole right there. Insert your flathead in there, okay, and just give it a twist, and that will start to open this thing up. You can just pull it apart. You can also twist in the other direction just to make it a little looser. But what we're doing is just sliding these two halves apart. Now, over here on the side with the buttons, you just want to come in this indentation, this side that's where the key was housed. You can just use those plastic, this kind of opening area to just pop it open, and it doesn't take much force. It's pretty easy to do. Here is our battery. You can just take the flathead and gently lift it up out of place. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR1632. This does actually also work with two 1620 batteries, but we will be using one 1632. And either way, what you want to do is make sure that the positive side is facing down and just snap that in there. And if you had the 1620s, you'll make sure they're both positive side down and snap one in and one on top of that. Now, all we need to do is reattach these two pieces. So just set one on top of the other and squeeze back together. And then very easy to just click that back into place. And with that, you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this channel with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.